Assalamualaikum. In this video I will show you how to make transparent background in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Open a PDF file and go to Tools menu. Click the Edit PDF and go to Toolbar and click the More and Background. Add background. You can add transparent color or transparent image. Firstly, I will add transparent color. Select the color and reduce the opacity and click the OK. And I will add image background. Go to More and click the Update. Select the file, browse, place the image and reduce the opacity and hit OK. Check the transparent background. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.